remember earlier this year, right? 2022, we saw the first leaks, really, like truly up close and personal, of the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found. And I remember so many of you saying, double up, triple up. Yeah, how many of you actually were able to do that? Like, how many were actually able to get just one pair of these? And yeah, it's like deja vu, and like we learned nothing, because that's all I'm hearing now when it comes to the 2023 reimagined Air Jordan 3 white cement, 3 pairs. You sure about that? Ready to go, TJ. Back another video on Talks with TJ. Just real short and brief. I just continue to see, you know, deja vu online. I'm having deja vu. I'm having a moment. I feel like I'm being transported back. I did that whole little video when they announced the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. I said, hey, this really does just feel like a dumpster fire, and it's a train wreck, and I don't think any of this is going to go well, and it didn't. And you know, the Lost and Found is literally like the worst sneaker release experience for a lot of you in 2022, and there were some really good contenders out there. Orange Lobster Special Box, hello, twice. But a lot of you are, you know, you said, hey, I need to double up, I need to triple up on this. Even though if you're very honest with yourself, you don't actually even get to wearing a lot of pairs in rotation to where you might need a second pair, quite possibly not a third pair. And then by the time you get to that pair, has the shoe crumbled and disintegrated? You know, there's just a lot that goes into it. But nonetheless, we have seen official images, and a lot of people are already getting these pairs in hand, including creators here on the platform. So you shouldn't have a problem being able to see what the brand new 2023 pair looks like for the Air Jordan 3 white cement. Now, for some people, this is a grail. For you, it's a must-have. Listen, it's got grail status up there. I think for me, at least, definitely felt that way when I reached back for an amazing deal on this pair in my size for the 2011 pair. Now, this doesn't have the Nike Air on the back. I've said before, I'm not a Nike Air snob. I'm just not. So I'm happy to have this, but I would absolutely positively love to have just my one pair. I just need my one pair. That's it. That's me. Just that one pair. 2023 in March, and I'm good. But a lot of you are saying, like, I need 3 pairs. We understand, like, a lot of us are going to end up trusting like Sneakers app, right? Now, that's not to say it didn't treat me well in 2022, somewhat. I was able to get this on that exclusive access. If they, you know, provide me with that again, awesome. But I don't bank on that. I'm not anticipating that. And we know what it's like trying to hit on Flex app. So just imagine like us going through all of that again. Because it's likely to happen. Like, go ahead, put the over under of what you think, right? Of this happening again with this. Like, we're not even a month past the official drop of this pair, and how soon people forget just the utter disappointment. Okay, the join draw button didn't even work. App crashed for like the whole day. And now everybody's saying like, I'm gonna get 3 pairs of this. Are you now? How? Are you gonna get 3 pairs? I mean, I would love for you to get 3 pairs if you really want them, but I'm just saying, I just feel like we need to be very realistic. This might go exactly how this one went. We just all need to be prepared. That's all I'm saying. Just be prepared, okay? Yeah. I guess we'll see what happens in March. So, with all that being said, appreciate you tuning in to this quick vid. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Please don't cry when you can't get 3 pairs. Peace.